Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be another try on haul. So guys, I have like 4 outfits, I think. 4 outfits for you to try, 3 dresses and a pantsuit. So it is from Jluxlabel, which you guys know I love this brand. And of course, I haven't found all the right places to wear these outfits yet, but eventually I will. You guys can always check out my Instagram to know exactly, how I put them together. All right, guys. So hopefully by the time you guys see this video, I've actually worn them. If not, like I said, you guys can check it out anyway. All right, guys. So let's get started. All right, guys. So I'm going to get into outfit number 1. It is going to be a green dress. So let me dive right into that one real quick. Okay guys, so this is outfit number 1. All right, so this is dress number 1 from Jluxlabel. If I do a close-up, you guys can actually see the shimmeriness of this dress and how nice it is. I'm just gonna keep a little necklace on and earrings. Oh my god, the struggle to put on this dress just now was something. The struggle to put on the dress. And if by the end of this try on y'all can see my hair looking crazy, is because taking these things off and on is gonna be a problem. Okay, so yes, so this is like the green shimmery dress. I love the fact that it comes down to the underneath the knee. I love mini dresses like that. It makes you feel super comfortable. Just to show you guys the back and how it is, right? And like I said, I can do a bit more of a close-up so that way you guys can see, and you guys can see the whole pattern of the dress. That's what I like about it, right? I mean, not the pattern, the shimmeriness, like how the shimmeriness of the dress. Yeah, so well, you guys, hopefully you guys like this one, and comment down below which is one of your favorite dresses out of like all of them. Yeah, so this is dress number 1. Do a couple of poses for you guys so you guys can get a little bit of a close-up. And guys, you can dress this up. You can actually put on like a clear heel. You can put on a nude heel with this as well, or a gold heel or a black heel. You understand? Switch it up. You understand? And honestly, you could even, because of how simple and nice this dress is, even if you wanted to go like a casual outing with your girls and not even have to put on heels just to look nice, you could throw on a cute little sandals or flats. Like, around summertime when it's not too hot, spring, cute little sandals or flats with it, and it'll still look perfectly cute and fine. Yeah. All right, so this is dress number 1. All right, so hope you guys like it. All right, so let me get on to dress number 2. So it is going to be a purple dress, like a lavender purple dress. I'll be back. So here we are, guys. This is dress number 2. So this also has that nice, and let me just bring it in a close up, that nice shimmering effect to it. The material, oh, I love it. Purple is my favorite color, guys. So I absolutely love it. Like I said, my hair gonna look like raw Rahoon by the end of this try on haul, guys. But yes, this is what this dress looks like. I like because it has the little tie in the back for it. The tie in the back right here. So you can actually unloose this, right? You can unloose this. You can crisscross it multiple times if you want to do like a cute little side part. I mean, up to you guys. It's up to you guys if you want to do a cute little side part. Look, that's actually still really cute. You understand? So you can do the back part. You can leave it as a back bow, which is what I initially did, right? You can leave it as a back bow. You can do a full bow, or you can just do a knot if you want, so that way it just hangs. Your choice, your choice. Or, you can just do a full crisscross. You can do a full crisscross, tie it in the front, leave the knot there, try to tuck it in. And you can get like a cute little bandeau look. You see, you could do different things with it, guys. That's what I like about you. You can make it, you know, make it your own. Do something different with it, right? So yeah, this is outfit number 2, right? So I hope you guys like it. And like I said, it's similar like the first one. You can throw in a gold pump, a nude pump, a clear pump, anything that, you know, you guys feel comfortable in. Like I said, you're going on a brunch with your girls and you want to, you know, do something different, you can, you understand, mix it up, make it your own. You know, I like this little bandeau look here, guys. I really do. But I also like the one on the side. Ooh, this is cute. Yeah, so, you know, guys, have fun with it. Have fun with it, right? So, guys, you know I love this brand. I love Jluxlabel. I will always rep their stuff. Always rep their stuff. Right? So, they need to put me on a PR or something. Shout me out, guys. Shout me out. Right? So, yeah. I mean, I love this brand. It's so nice. I just love their clothing. I love their clothing. They accentuate your curves. They make you feel comfortable. It's not a heavy material. It's very light. It's very soft. It's very comfortable. Come on, guys. Look at that. Look at that. You can do, like I said, you can do so much with it. So much with it. And I love it. I love it. You can comment which one is your favorite. All right, so let us get on to outfit number 2. Let me say 2. Guys, I'm over it. Outfit number 3. So outfit number 3, I think I'm actually gonna put on a jumpsuit because the last one is gonna be a dress. So yeah, I'll put on the jumpsuit now. And jumpsuit is a nice royal blue. So let's get to it. All right, guys. So this is outfit number 3. This is the jumpsuit. Now, guys, it is some complexity with this jumpsuit. Let me tell you guys, some serious complexity. So you see how, I mind a little glitter, you know, so you see how, like I'll have it like to the back like that? Yes. So you can actually change up this jumpsuit in many different ways, right? This is what I like about it. So you see how I have it like this? A nice little classy, like around the back kind of look, right? So you can actually wear it like this, right? You can wear it like this. Let me show you guys another way you can wear it. Right, you can wear it like this. So, right, I'm telling you guys, you can switch it up. You can wear it like this. So where it's a cold shoulder and you're holding one shoulder out, right? Look at that. I mean, this is fabulous. Come on, guys. Look at this jumpsuit. And I said I have to show you. Look at the material, guys. The material is like that material too, like the other 2. I mean, it is beautiful. I absolutely love it. So yeah, you can wear it on like a cold shoulder, right? You can wear it with both shoulders like that. Let me show you guys the other way. Right? You could wear it as a complete strapless, guys. Look at that, a complete strapless. And like I said, the strap you can do any way you want. Now, if I wanted to, I could have did this. Oh, wow, I'm thinking. I'm thinking. So if I wanted to, I could have did this, right? With the back, right? Or I could just leave it down, right? And tie it to the back like a bow, like how I did the other outfit, right? Or tie it to the back like a bow, tie it to the side. You got options. It's not like on a cold winter day and you want to just wear something nice. You have this. Come on, guys. Look at this. I love it. I love it. Let me put it back on the shoulder. So I put it back on the one shoulder because I really like this style. This style is winning me. This style is winning me. So yeah. So this is the one shoulder. And like I said, it shows a little bit of skin, but you'll be all right. And you can stretch it out if you want because it has so much length. You can stretch it out. Right? And you can still do that. Stop, guys. Right? So yeah. Tie the bow. You can tie a bow at the front. Tie a bow at the front if you want it nice and elongated. Or you could just double knot it. You can double knot it, right? So just to show you guys and give you guys a full look of this, I'm in love with this. I'm in love with this. Y'all gonna find me throw this down in a couple ways. So one day y'all gonna see me strapless. Next thing you're gonna see me cold shoulder. Next thing you're gonna see me both. Just saying. So yeah, just to show you guys. So this is outfit number 3. I'll tell you guys, I love Jlux. I love Jlux. You can do so much with this. Very introverted. So much with this. Yeah. Right? Hope you guys like it. Right, so let's get on to outfit number 4, last but not least. So outfit number 4 is going to be a like olive, not a green, more like an olive, like a light green, not a lime, like a light green kind of color. And it's gonna be a sweater dress, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is outfit number 4, last but not least. Right, so this is a sweater, off the shoulder sweater dress. I actually have a white one to this, and I fell in love with it. I mean, I fell in love with it. I fell in love with it. Fell in love with it. So, the little black tag, that's right. So, I mean, come on guys. Tell me you guys ain't loving this dress. So it's a nice winter casual, like look cute anywhere you go and kind of dress. And like I said, I have a white one to it and I fell in love with it. And I said I have to get another color. So this is what the back looks like. Right. I love it. I love it. It's comfortable. It's, like I said, it still gives you that sexy winter off the shoulder cute vibes. Right. So absolutely love it. Tell me what you guys think. Alright, so I love the knit pattern. So let me get closer. This is the nice knit pattern on the front of it. My necklace. Nice knit pattern in the front of it. Like you could keep this casual, or you can dress it up with some cute heels. Anything that you want to do. Anything that you want to do, guys. Come on. Come on. Don't give me no mind. Yes, I love it. I love it. Hope you guys like it too. But like I said, guys, if I haven't found anything yet, you won't see it on my Instagram. But if I definitely found somewhere to wear these outfits, you will see an official outfit on my Instagram. Of course, check it out. Because I do post a lot of my outfits on there. You know, do a little fashion thing, whatever. That's what I do. So definitely check it out. I'm going to drop the Instagram below so that way you guys can see, and it's of course in my description as well. So guys, yeah, this is outfit number 4. I hope you guys like it. Hope you guys liked all 4 outfits. I showed you guys different variations, how to put them together, how to mix it up and everything like that. Of course you saw 2 outfits, you know how to like tie the string on the different 2 outfits. This one, like I said, you can throw on a cute pair of flats if you want to keep it casual. Throw on some cute heels. That's it. That's it. And make it look cute. Make it look cute. Okay, so I hope you guys like this outfit. Thank you guys so much for watching, you girl. You guys are awesome. You are the best as always. Like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so that way you guys know anytime I post another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are awesome. Bye. More try on hauls to come.